Hey sweeties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mrs. Ashley and I do fashion, hauls, and body positivity videos here on my channel. If you like that kind of thing, then go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell button to be notified of all my future videos. And today we are going into a Steve Madden collection haul. I've been dying for this. This is like where I thrive. So if you've watched my previous video on my accessories and how to spruce up a look, then just watch that video. Go ahead and take a gander at that. But we are going to go into the bags that I got from Steve Madden. If you don't know what Steve Madden is Steve Madden is a designer brand that is more affordable. So it's not as expensive as Louis Vuitton or Gucci or anything like that. But we're going to go and dive into if it's quality is worth the money and if the price tag is just worth it altogether. Like, I mean, it's affordable. It is on the I would say $2 signs. If you know the ratings from, like, if you go to a restaurant and you have ratings, the rating for Steve Madden purses are 2, but right now they are actually super affordable. But any links that I have on any of these purses will be down below, so you can go ahead and shop them. And I just have to say that I am an ambassador for them. I'm so super thankful for that. And so if you want to go ahead and shop, the links down below, it'd be super grateful and help me out, because this is what I do and I am super excited to share with you guys these bags. So if you are interested in these Steve Madden bags, then let's just keep on going. Okay, so this is the bag that I was showcased in my other video. So remember to watch that video first before you come on this video. You could just come back. So this bag is the Be Protect Tan CROCO. Yeah, CROCO by SteveMadden.com. Like I said, I'll have the link down below. This is originally $59, but right now they are having a sale, 40% off, and I got this a steal. Like, it came out to like 30 bucks. Like, super cool. This is probably gonna be my go-to because I am a blush pink kind of girl. This is like a dainty chain, and so this is gonna be that chain that like makes an illusion or makes just a little bit of appearance. It's not gonna be overwhelming through the bag. So this is what it looks like, and this is the color. It is a nude, like a nude pink, but it does in person come off a little bit more pink than I thought it was gonna be. But let's look into the specifics of the bag. So it does have 2 magnetic pulls right here. So these are magnetic. This has a slit right here for any like anything that you need to pull out right away, like your phone or anything like that. This zipper, so yes, this folds over and this becomes a bigger bag. So this has a zipper and it has all this room in here, as well as a side, like, I can't really, if you can see in there, it has a side zipper for any small items like lipsticks or chapstick or anything like that. Yeah. It has a lot of room in there. You could put a lot of everything in there. You can take off the chain and change them out. You're not subjected to have the chain at all. And you could wear this as a clutch if you want. But I thought that was super cool that it becomes a bigger bag if you need that room and that space. And it does have a pull tab right here, which is the same kind of fabric as the outside. The outside is kind of like that plasticky soft leather. It's I don't know what to call it, but it is like that plasticky soft leather. Inside is very quilted. the inside of this is a really soft leather, and the hardware on this baby is gold. So if you don't wear a whole ton of gold, then I would pass on this, and I would see the other colors as well. So I did double check on their website, and it does come in black and gold. However, it doesn't come in silver. So if you're looking or prefer silver, I would skip this bag. Next is another scaly friend here. Okay, so obviously there is a theme, and you're kind of wondering, why is this girl have a lot of scaly things? Yeah. If you don't know me, if you're not like a real true OG, and some of you guys are, you guys know that I used to have a pet channel, and I am into snakes, lizards, and everything like that. So me and my husband have a love for reptiles, and I have a dear, my dear heart is with our little, or she's not so little, but our girl Khaleesi, and she is a 4-foot monitor tegu, whatever you want to call her. She's adorable, and she is our baby. She takes up 6 feet of our garage, but she is adorable and I love her. I'll put up a picture of her right here. So all my purses are inspired by scaly friends. However, no, thank God, no animals were hurt for these bags. These are, you know, friendly. They are, you know, fake leather. They're not real leather. And I adore that about these pieces, because, I mean, we don't need to hurt any animals while we look, you know, a certain way. But yes, I got this baby in mint green. It is barched mint green. And this also was a $59 clutch. Now this one is a little bit different. This one has the, so all around here, you can see that it also has the gold hardware, and it also comes with a chain as well. This is a lot delicate, more small, more thin than the last one. So this baby is called Parchment Green, and it has that crocodile look to it, a bit more thin. So this is basically a clutch where you just put your phone and your wallet in, and it's got to be like a really thin wallet because it is very thin inside. So I feel like when you look at bags on the internet, it is hard to gauge how much space and how much room they have. So this one is literally very small. I'm not gonna lie. This is one of those bags where you take and you are going to not need a whole lot. So it does come with the zipper pull right here, and again, this is very thin, not like the last one. I am a big fan of the other one, but I love the mint green on this guy. So honestly, this is more structured bag. So you can see right there, it's structured to not have that much spacing. It looks like it's gonna have a lot, but it's actually not. It's a very envelope style bag. So let me go ahead and but it, like I said, it's more for looks than anything. So if you are just carrying like your phone and your card wallet, then that should be good. And I don't carry a whole lot in my purse anyway, but yes. So this next clutch, I'm gonna have to open it. So all the clutches look like this when they come in. They do come with, some of them come with the extra dust bag if you need it. This one in particular came with this foam piece, and you'll see why in a minute. So this is another clutch, and it is Be Seduce in nude. This is like the in trend type of bag right now. I see a lot of like JWoww pulling bags like this from MCM brand. But this one is a Steve Madden brand, which is not as expensive as the MCM brand. And so this one is $69, but again, I did get that 40% off my whole purchase, so it came to about 30 bucks or 40 bucks. And I really love this style. So this is a tan color, and just so you guys know the different color of tan, so this is tan CROCO, and it's like a blushy pink, and this is tan and the Seduce, so it's a more like a khaki brown. But I really like it. It's very different. Now when I felt this, it has that grungy feel, like that grungy look. If you are a rocker type, you definitely, this is up your alley. This is very new for me, so I haven't owned anything like this, and the spikes are not like faux spikes, they are full spikes. And when I touched this, I was very shocked. Like I was telling my husband, you could probably do damage with this purse. Like if somebody tried to steal your purse, you could probably kick their ass with this. So the studs here are that silver stud. Stud muffin. They have these studs along here. Now this one is silver hardware. So on the inside, all these come magnetic, which is amazing. So you need that closure right there. Is a silver hardware to match the hardware here, which of course I love the matchy, and they match, the studs match the chain here. So they did come with a small dainty silver chain that matches the studs on the bag. So let me go ahead and demonstrate that for you. I wanted like a different style. Like I definitely love this. Just having this bag is a different look, and I like different because you could change up the accessories and keep, like I said, keep the same type of outfit on, but it gives you a different feel, different vibe, depending on where you're going. But yeah, I love this aspect. It's just gorgeous. So you can see that right there is structured as well. So it's just like my Barched Green mint one. So inside is more of that pink. It's like a tannish pink. No, it's tan. So it's tan in there. And like I said, it's a more structured bag, so it has the same type of feel like my Barched Mint Green bag. It does come with the zipper pull right here to add any different like chapstick or something small like receipts or something like that in there. But yeah, this is just a phone and card again type of clutch. Last but not least is my favorite bag. This bag is one of those bags where it just screams you're a family woman, and it's a mommy bag. I call this the mommy bag because I have a feeling that all the mommies out there, all the moms and all you guys know, when you guys see this, just let me know if you are like, yes, I need that for my mommy days. And it's this beautiful piece right here. You guys know I'm into this quilted pattern, so this bad boy is called Bikari Cream Tote. It is a tote bag. You could fit a lot of stuff in here. This is a work bag, a mommy bag. You could put your laptop, your iPad into this bag right here. It does have the quilted pattern, and I just love that. I love the cream look to this because you could just pair this with anything. It does come with a tassel that you can remove and put on other bags. It does come with a Steve Madden bag tag, or like brand tag, with the S and M with the gold hardware, and it also has that crocodile like feel to it. So I feel like I would put this bag tag on my like my tan CROCO or my parchment green bag. I probably change this to those bags, just because I feel like it matches those bags better. But yeah, so it is a tote bag. You have the zipper pull here in the front, so you could fit your, your tissues, your Purell, travel Purell, or anything like that in here. And then right in here is where the magic happens, and you could put a shit ton of stuff in here. It does have that 2 zipper pull inside. Dun, 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 dun. You have all this space in here, and inside it is super soft. You do have a cell phone holder. You could also put like lipsticks or anything like that in here as well. And they also has the zipper pull on the side here as well. So it has a lot of space in there, and it has a ton of space in here. So this is basically a good tote bag. If you are a tote type of person, I know this is my first ever real tote type of bag, like mommy bag, work bag type of bag. So you'd wear it more like this. It does again have that gold hardware, and the straps are super durable. It has 3 stitching on the straps, so it's super durable. It's super soft. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe. Remember, I have a giveaway. That information will be in my other video that I'll have linked up here. I'll give you time. So we are talking about Steve Madden, and I am an ambassador for Steve Madden, and I love Steve Madden. I am in love with all my purses right now. So what I'm going to be doing is adding a $15 gift card to my giveaway. So if you want to know what else I'm giving away, definitely hit up that video and make sure you subscribe. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Like always, stay super sweet. Bye.